Hello, car enthusiast. Your premier destination for automotive insights and expertise. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of exotic cars and explore the iconic Lamborghini Murciélago, a vehicle that embodies the perfect blend of Italian design, engineering, and innovation. Produced from 2001 to 2010, the Murciélago is a high-performance supercar that boasts a powerful V12 engine, producing 632 horsepower and 487 lb-ft of torque. Its sleek and aerodynamic design, coupled with its exceptional performance capabilities, make it a highly sought-after vehicle among car enthusiasts. However, the Murciélago's importation into the U.S. market was limited due to its non-compliance with federal safety and emissions standards. Specifically, the vehicle's airbag system did not meet the requirements set by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, which mandates the presence of dual front airbags. Additionally, the Murciélago's V12 engine did not comply with the emissions regulations established by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, which necessitates stricter controls on pollutants. For enthusiasts seeking to import a Murciélago into the U.S., the process can be complex, but it's not impossible. The first step involves obtaining an import eligibility decision from the NHTSA, which requires submitting detailed information about the vehicle, including its safety features and emissions controls. Once this decision has been obtained, the vehicle must be modified to meet federal safety standards, which may involve installing additional safety features or modifying the airbag system. This can be a costly and time-consuming process, but it's essential to ensure the vehicle meets the required safety standards. In addition to meeting safety standards, the vehicle must also be verified to meet federal emissions standards. This may require installing emissions control equipment or modifying the engine. It's essential to work with a reputable and experienced mechanic to ensure the vehicle meets the required emission standards. After these modifications have been made, the vehicle must be certified by the EPA, which involves submitting documentation that the vehicle meets emission standards. Finally, the vehicle can be registered with the relevant state authorities. In summary, the Lamborghini Murciélago is an exceptional supercar that, while restricted in the U.S. market, can still be imported with the right guidance and expertise. By understanding the reasons for these restrictions and following the necessary steps to comply with federal safety and emissions standards, enthusiasts can bring these incredible vehicles into the country. For more insightful content, be sure to join our community.